So this program is run through Summit, which is an after-school program for the entire district of Greeley and Evans. And what I specifically do is STEM, and that stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. It really focuses on getting kids involved in those areas and hoping to get them into engineering and technical fields when they grow up and go to college and get jobs and everything like that. We did that with a couple of projects. The first half of the year, we worked on projectiles. So things like catapults, trebuchets, rockets, and we learned about it, and then we actually got to make them, which is really engaging for the kids. And the second half of the year, we worked on Lego Robotics, which is a lot of computer programming and building the robot to mesh it together and really make it come to life. I think my favorite part of the program is getting to know the kids, being with them for a longer amount of time than I would be, because I only see my kids in class every day for maybe 10 weeks, but this program let me see the kids for the whole year, and I really got to know them in a smaller group, and I really got to know their interests and passions and how they operate with all of our different hands-on projects in more of a relaxed setting. I thought the showcase went really well. I always think that it's awesome for the kids to be able to show off what they've done, especially to their peers. It gives them a little bit of motivation to really work hard, and it's also a moment of pride for them so that they can see, yes, I worked my butt off and it was worth it because these people look at what I did and they think it's awesome, and I think it helps motivate them to go into that kind of field because they would be getting that kind of feedback a lot. So we went with robotics because that is a very relevant field in today's world with the advancement of technology. Robotics and programming and interfacing between the technical world and the natural world are happening everywhere, and I imagine that at some point in the future we're going to see robotics as an aspect of everything in everyday life. And it's good to give these kids exposure to this so that they have a better understanding. Even if they don't end up going into a robotics field, they will have a better understanding of the world that surrounds them and will be able to navigate it a lot more comfortably.